You know what? I'll just record this message. TileProSource. I love the MasterPiuma P5. It's right there. I have video earlier that I'm going to upload to YouTube, and it's going to be I guess I'm going to be addressing you directly. The product is awesome, but I did find, well, I guess just two things that point to damage. This part, the legs. One, two. This is the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second one on the right side in the back does not sit straight at all. Like, you can tell from the video, like I try to tuck it in underneath it, but it just springs back. That's tucked in. I can snap it out, snap it back in. 1, 2, and 3 legs do that. But the fourth support leg, counting, I guess, I don't know, left, right, 1, 2, 3. Number 2 on the right doesn't do that. That is because I think there was some impact on that side. It hit the ground or something during shipping, I don't know. But this part got an impact, and it bent that part of the frame ever so slightly, so this piece is out of alignment. It does not sit. No matter how hard I push this, it doesn't sit in. I flipped it over and saw the crack. This part is actually pushed downwards. So when this thing is flipped out, it looks like that. It actually has a slope downwards instead of being level, like this. You can actually tell from it right here. This one's level, but once that's out of the way, this one has a significant like downward trend or whatever it is to it there. And I don't have a ball. Let's see. I think this will work. If I set this here, it actually rolls. Or it doesn't roll. Set that there, it doesn't roll. But here, I can't even set it. It just rolls downhill. Pretty much. Can't set it anywhere. Here, it either rolls this way or just stays still. This is the front support. With the rear support, yeah. Yep. Alright, so I'll be sending this to you as an email. Let's see what we can do about it. Alright guys, I believe, if I have the names right, Bob and Joy, I'll be talking to you guys really soon. One other thing is the rear wheel. I think it's for mobility. It's a great feature, but if you guys can point me to something that I can use to like anchor that, like just like that ring over there, it keeps it from sliding out. One of them is missing, so I can slide it in perfectly here. It does not come out, but once this wheel goes onto it, there's nothing here. There's nothing here to actually hold it in place. So I think that popped off in transit or something. Let me know if there's like one of these spare pieces that I can buy somewhere, or if I can get that replaced, that'd be perfect. And yeah, those are just the two things that went awry with this. Apart from that, I love the packaging, nice and sturdy, and everything was just set to, for this thing to be christened. But I saw these two things and I figured, you know what, let me talk to you guys first. And the next thing I guess I'd be looking to place an order for is the lubricant. So I'll be talking with you about that as well. So just the rear wheel, the brace or whatever it is that it's called, and the fourth support for large format tile, that's out of whack. That's bent out of shape. All right, and that makes it sit that way. Doesn't sit level at all. This snaps perfectly in place, it doesn't come out. This guy's just freeloading because this part is bent. Yeah, all right.